What's up you guys, it's Ben and welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything there is relating to selling on Amazon. So for today's video, what I wanted to do is talk to you about my absolutely biggest frustration that comes with selling on Amazon. There are many things that are quite annoying when it comes to selling on Amazon, such as dealing with the Chinese, Amazon seller support, and various other things. However, in today, what I'm going to do is talk to you about my biggest frustration, something that I actually can't do anything about, and something I really wish Amazon changed, because it was really unfair for us Amazon FBA sellers that are trying to make profit while still abiding by all of their rules and regulations. With that being said, guys, if you are interested in selling on Amazon and you want to take this seriously and you need some help with product research, speaking to suppliers, negotiating with suppliers, and actually building your first product on Amazon, I do provide one-to-one personal mentorship, so please don't forget to check the links down for that. Otherwise, guys, if you want to use some of the business tools that I personally use to manage my Amazon FBA business at the moment, please don't forget to check the links down for Helium 10, where you get 50% off, Jungle Scout 30% off, Transferwise, where you get £500 transfer completely free of charge, and then Tide, the perfect business bank account to start off your Amazon FBA business. With that being said, guys, let's get straight to the video. So the biggest frustration for me on Amazon is by far their return policy, something that you may have not expected. So what I wanted to do in today's video is go through it, what exactly it is, and why am I so frustrated with it. Well, as you can see on their website about their refunds policies, basically Amazon.co.uk will offer a refund for most items within 30 days of delivery. This is pretty common and pretty standard for any online marketplace, and matter of fact any high street retail store as well, if the product is unused and new. And if you can see, if you can go here further down, you will see that please note that you must return each item in the same condition in which you have received it. This means that new items must be returned unused and undamaged. Used items must not have any additional signs of use or damage. This is what I'm really frustrated about, because Amazon does not do the proper checks when those returns come back into FBA warehouses. What customers usually tend to do, in my experience, is use the items for around 20-30 days. They can even go past the 30-day period, then send it back to Amazon, and then they will get a full reimbursement for their product and the shipping fees, and all of that money comes out of our pocket. Amazon does not lose out on anything if they reimburse the products. It all comes from our pocket. We have to pay for the shipping. We, most cases, lose out on these products, and we have to deal with everything, okay? And this is a big problem, because at the end of the day, when you're just starting off selling on Amazon, you really want to squeeze as much profit as you can out of each and every single product. The last thing you want is sending out a product, then paying for the refund, and also finding out that the product now you're currently trying to resell again is in an unsellable condition, it's defective, or it's being used or whatever, and now has to be requested to remove out of the FBA inventory. And this is a big problem, guys, because what people do is they will use the product and they'll literally just return it. Now, if you did that in John Lewis or Debenhams or anything, and you tried to return even within a week and it's clearly being used, even with the receipt, I'm sure they would laugh at your face. Whereas here on Amazon.co.uk, people understand how easy it is to get refunded and how easy it is to return the items, that people will really use a lot of shady tactics to just get their money back, and sometimes even keep the product. They may just send back an empty box or a used item or a different item. I've seen so many things. And so what I do now with all of these items, I don't want to just throw them away. So I have created an automatic removal order each and every single week, basically where Amazon will collect all of the items that are in poor condition, that are not currently for sale on Amazon, and they will send all of those items to me in my personal home, and then I will sell those products either on eBay or in a car boot sale, which are going to start up next month. The last thing you want to do, guys, is just get those products disposed of, which you can do by Amazon, and they will literally get rid of those products completely and you won't receive them or anything like that. Okay, you want to make sure to get those products back, and you'll be surprised. Some cases, the reason why they're not in sellable condition is because the box may be a little bit damaged. What you can do, especially when you're just starting off and you want to make as much money as possible, is repackage them in a new, different box. Sometimes it just needs a little clean and those products are absolutely fine. In other cases, you'll be surprised at what you'll find. You'll find some products with various parts missing, some products that have clearly been used a lot and have been returned for a full refund, some products that are just completely missing at all, and you're just going to get an empty box with nothing in it, with just tissue paper or something like that. And these things are really, really frustrating. And just to show you how the scale of the problem, at least on my level now with 44 products selling, I'm just going to go into my fulfillment reports here, and as you can see, look how many products are being returned pretty much each and every single day for various reasons, such as defective, customer damage, defective, and so on and so forth. And people know that if they put defective as a reason, they will get a refund no matter how long they have used the product and so on. And this is the reasons that you can see straight away, and I can keep going on and on and on. And there is actually 3 pages of these. So in 1 month, I usually get around 150 to 200 products returned back to me. Now, I don't know about you, but not being able to sell 200 products is a big problem to me, and it's actually a lot of profit that I'm leaving on the table completely. So I really think this video you found useful. If you did find it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and think about your strategy, what you're going to do about this problem, because you are going to encounter it in one way or the other. In the beginning, when you're just selling a couple of products, this may not seem like a big problem, but as you continue to scale, the products will continue to pile up, and I want you to make sure that you get as much money back as possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.